occasions greater in dimension, and thus we will infer what hazardous docking the boat anchor shirt reactions that may set in on planet Earth if it landed right here crashing. Air pollution in New York, Los Angeles, and different main cities had been linked to illness and loss of life, thus leaving metropolis life barely. Docking the boat anchor shirt, ladies tee, long-sleeved, sweater and hoodie, long-sleeved, ladies tee, hoodie, sweater, jewels within historical Egyptian occasions. On historical occasions, scientists, philosophers, and docking the boat anchor shirt magi divided matter into four primary parts: air, fireplace, water, and earth. Alchemy, Hermeticism, and Gnosticism maintain understandings of the four parts. 2. Mystics all through the ages have acknowledged these parts as four religious modes further of being. We will see them within the Jungian principle of the four persona sorts: pondering, air, intuiting, fireplace, feeling, water, and sensing, earth. Commemorating the 51st Earth Day further on Thursday, Pope Francis dispatched 2 video further messages reminding everybody of the significance further of working collectively to guard our planet. Other products.